On May 13th, the government increased the gap between two doses of Covishield. It went from 8 to 12 weeks to 12 to 16 weeks. A move that experts say was to address temporary shortage of doses. A month later, some members of India's Technical Advisory Group on Vaccinations have said that the decision was taken without their approval.
The union government's decision to extend the gap between two doses of Covishield vaccine is now under a cloud. A few members of the National Technical Advisory Group on Immunization have claimed the panel's decision was to keep the gap at 8 to 12 weeks. News agency Reuters quoted three other members of the panel, Dr. M.D. Gupte, Dr. Matthew Varghese and Dr. J.P. Mulyal, as saying the members had not backed widening the gap. Incidentally, the head of the NTAGI had justified increasing the gap to 12 to 16 weeks in an earlier interview to India Today.
My own understanding is, because there is shortage of vaccine, government will definitely like to see if we increase the duration between the two doses, then to get more people vaccinated. It is supposed to be something like 76% efficacious. And therefore, if they increase the duration or restrict to only single dose, they are still able to achieve what we want to do with maximum coverage.
There is absolutely no concern. We, as our horizon of people who are receiving vaccine is increasing, we would like the maximum benefit, and that is the reason that committee revisited the whole interval schedule and decided to increase it to 12 to 16 weeks. So it is not just sparing the vaccine strategy. It is a technical reason that we would like our population to be best protected in the current scenario.
But experts say this is the time to do a rethink.
The current gap of 12 to 16 weeks has two problems. First, it leaves people with one dose exposed to the risk of severe COVID with Delta variant during that period. The second problem is that it promotes the development of further mutations and new variants. Now that defeats the very purpose of vaccination for both individuals and for society.
Given the new evidence has emerged, it is time for India to consider reducing the vaccine dosage interval from the existing 12 weeks and beyond to somewhere between 4 to 6 weeks. This is more important to prevent hospitalization and deaths in the vulnerable, which mainly comprises of elderly and those with comorbidities, irrespective of the age.
Politics has also erupted over the issue, with Congress MP Rahul Gandhi hitting out at the government. Union Health Minister Harshvardhan claims no decision was without unanimity. Politics aside, sources within the government have indicated that there could be a revisit as far as this decision is concerned, and that the National Technical Advisory Group on Immunization will be taking a final call. In fact, Dr. Arora, the head of this group, had indicated earlier to India Today that these decisions would be reviewed from time to time because science around vaccines is still evolving. But questions remain whether this particular decision to increase the dosing gap to 16 weeks was actually bulldozed through. With Pankaj Khelkar, Sneha Mordani in Delhi for India Today.